Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. I'm Tom, and today you'll be riding along with me as I drive west on Highway 24 in the great state of Utah. But to all my first-time visitors, I'd first of all like to say welcome. If this video is something you find entertaining, I would encourage you to check out some of my other videos from this trip or other road trips I have taken. I'd also appreciate it if you could support my channel and the creation of more videos just like this one by clicking that like button and becoming a subscriber as well. Lastly, I'd also encourage everyone to leave a comment on this video because I'm honestly curious about what you thought about it. So this video begins where our last one left off in Hanksville, Utah. We will continue on Utah 24 through Hanksville and along the Fremont River through the Blue Valley, passing by Caineville. This video will come to an end as we finally reach our first national park of this trip in Capitol Reef. Well, this video is just from the 5th day of my 10-day adventure to California and back, which includes video from a handful of national parks and monuments, as well as over 6,000 miles of dashcam footage from 14 states, including ones that we've already released like California, New Mexico, and Texas, but also from some upcoming states like Arizona, Colorado, and Kansas, so please consider subscribing if you haven't already so you don't miss anything. But for now, I'm going to keep driving west on Utah 24 in beautiful Utah. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video from this trip, we'll make our way into Capitol Reef National Park, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.